Hi, Dave Snyder here. It is January the 11th, 2013. And I just could sit here all day and discover stuff, but I don't have time to do this. I really don't. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to upload a video pretty soon where I happened to run across Tycho, the Tycho impact up here. Actually, right up here somewhere, right off somewhere along here. It showed me it in the weather. Here's the live streaming weather right here, right? This is the North Pole right here, marked right here. This one's the actual geographic north. That's the magnetic north. And I seen this line right here. This line right here. And that doesn't show itself very often, that line right there, so nicely. And so I figured, I found that line and I was going to put Tycho there, so I got to shut these ones off first. Okay, so I had this picture of the North Pole first. Okay, hold on a second. Let me get there. Get there. Here it is. Let me turn the weather off. Okay, so I had to save a picture of that up there, so that I could overlay a picture up there, down here. You know, because I can't overlay pictures of the poles on this program. So what I did is I brought that up, and I lined this line to the line right there. It's big because I left it big, so hopefully it'll help you see it better. But there it is right there. There's one of them. This is just one. Watch how I do this. There's Tycho, and there's the line, and you see this line that comes up here, right? And the whole blast pattern, and the whole deal right here. Look, all the lines. Okay, this over here. Pay attention to that over there. That's in Europe, right there. Okay, you can see how this little area fits right here. Look at that. I mean, watch. See that? I mean, I can see that. It takes practice, but so that's just one Tycho right there, right there. Okay, you see all the lines pretty much. You can even see this line that comes across right here, and it kind of curls up like that. That line, it's showing itself right here in the weather, right there. So that's there. Of course, you're not always going to get an exact print, but when you start getting enough stuff like that, you'll know. Okay, so here's what happened the next time. So what I saw was I saw that I saw something pointing me in the direction of Tycho being in the center of, I can't remember what it was. Something showed me that it was but anyways, I'll just go to the next one. What happened next was I was trying to put down a picture of that. Something led me to believe that it was in the Caspian, or near the Caspian, where another Tycho impact took place. I can't remember what it was that led me to that, but anyways, so what I did is I tried to put Tycho down here, that same picture, and what happened was it didn't put it here. It decided to do its own thing, and every time it does that, you want to check it. So what it decided to do was that over Hawaii. Right there in that spot. And I thought that was pretty interesting, because if you look in this spot, you'll see this line right here. See this line, this double line right there, kind of curves, but there you see it there. And then you see the spot right here with the curve around it and the blast pattern going out, and then you see Hawaii at the same angle pretty much. And a few of the other things kind of stand out too. You can see, you know, like this over here. This may not be big, you know, I might not have it big enough, I'm not sure. It just put itself down. That's probably about the, you know, it's probably a little bit bigger. It just looks small. So that put itself there. Then I decided, well, okay, that's cool, I'll leave that there. And then I tried to do this again. This time it put it itself where I wanted it to, basically. I just aimed in on this spot, I think, and I just set it down, but it didn't put it right in place for me. I had to move it around a little bit, and because I saw from that other picture that it was like right here in the Caspian. Watch this. Oh, this fits really good, people. So that's what I'm starting to think. You know, I've been thinking it for a while. The Aral Sea, South Aral Sea, right here. It's that used to be a huge sea. This all used to be water. All of this whole area. It used to be like one of the biggest lakes or something like that, or one of the biggest inland seas under the Caspian. The Caspian is probably the largest, but right here, look at that. Or I guess the Mediterranean. I guess. So it goes right there. I believe that goes right there. And you look at the line that comes out the side right here. See how it starts. You can see it partially, and then it goes all the way. I can see it all the way out. Watch. Yep. I'm not saying it's right on perfect yet, but pretty close. So that's why I think they're letting the sea drain, because they're probably looking for gold right there. That's a good place to look for gold right there, probably. I mean, they probably already got it all. Who knows? That's pretty good. Back it up and check it out. That goes there. Look at this like square shape right here. This shape right here. Yep. So this could have happened where Hawaii is. I could probably pull this back over there where Hawaii is, because I know that all these continents used to be over here. Because there's still weather over here that fits those continents. It's still ancient weather. If you were to take Asia, and I've done it in my videos, you can watch the videos. I'm just going to show you like the weather right here. The weather right here. If you move Asia over to where it's underneath this weather fits somewhere in Asia. Fits somewhere in Asia. So does the weather over here. All this weather does. It'll fit somewhere in Asia. Guaranteed. So it just shows that I don't know what it shows. It shows that this probably happened over there. And oh, then I turned on the weather. I forgot to show you. Look what happened when I turned on the weather. After I put this in place, I had no idea it was gonna fit like this. But this is what happened when I turned on the weather. Look how it landed right on the spot. Right on the spot. Right there. It put itself right there. I couldn't believe it. I can see like this part. But it's funny how I put it right on the top of that spot. So there's another one for you. I mean, I gotta do something. Get to work. All right.